Hi people, earlier today I was at the Oppo event in central London for the launch of Oppo Reno series of smartphones. Oppo are now the global partners for the 2019 ICC Cricket World Cup, which will be held in England this year. The Reno series was launched earlier this year in Switzerland, and finally the campaign has made its way to the UK. Oppo's presence in Europe is relatively new. It's only their second event here in the UK, and they seem to be making an impression already in the UK market. Car from Warehouse is already selling Oppo phones, including Oppo RX 17 Pro and the Oppo Find X, and they will soon be joined by the Reno series. However, in this particular event, they launched the Reno series including Oppo Reno for £499, Oppo Reno 10X Zoom for £699 and Oppo Reno 5G, for which the prices are yet to be announced and will be launched later in the year in collaboration with UK mobile network EE. The standard Oppo Reno comes with Snapdragon 710, up to 8 GB of RAM and a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED screen. However, the star of the show was Oppo Reno 10X Zoom, which I will cover in depth in my full review very soon. The phone comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 855, of course, top of the line flagship chipset. It features a bright 6.6-inch old bezel AMOLED screen which looks amazing with punchy colors. The phone is running on Android Pie out of the box and ColorOS 6.0, which is their skin running on top of Android. It looks smooth, and everything I played with was very fluid and fast. Apps opened with blistering speeds, and there was no apparent lag on the phone whatsoever. The phone also features a pop-out selfie camera, which is a very cool implementation. It has a pivot rising module, and once you activate the camera, it simply pops out from one end. The flash is placed at the back of this module, which means that this module will get used more often than it really should. Only time will tell how long this motorized mechanism will last, but first impressions were promising and reassuring. Oppo, however, did confirm that this mechanism has been tested for over 200,000 times. The phone is very big, no doubt about that, and with a 6.6-inch screen with the industry-leading 93.1% screen-to-body ratio, which is quite frankly very high, is for the bigger hands for sure. Comparing it with the likes of OnePlus 7 Pro, the beautiful Nebula Blue, my favorite color for sure, as you can see in the video, and you can tell that this phone is in the same gigantic league. However, the OnePlus 7 Pro did appear to be a bit more wider. Mi Mix 3 seemed more reasonable next to the Oppo Reno and was much more easier in the hands. Then finally, one of my favorite phones from last year, the OnePlus 6, seemed so much more easier on the hands. So if you are into big phones and bezel-less screens, then Oppo Reno should be on your list of wannabes. So this was my hands-on review and first impressions of the Oppo Reno. Please do stay tuned for the full review once I get a hold of a review unit, and I shall see you in the next video.